Hey YouTube, Jason Earns here with my first YouTube video. I'm going to show you how to make money online with this really easy and fast method that I found recently. I don't know how long this will last, so you guys better start doing it quickly before too many people find out about it. The only reason I'm going to give you guys this method for free is because I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll also be giving away 4 $25 Amazon gift cards to 4 lucky people. So stay tuned. So first of all, you go to this website called Urban CBD. It's a pretty big national company. They have their products in stores all around the US and they sell a bunch of products online. Once you get here, go all the way down to their affiliate section. Click on their affiliate section. Once you click on their affiliate section, you'll be able to apply right here. So just go ahead and click apply now. Then fill out all this information. Once you're done filling it out, hit continue and they'll get back to you in 2 to 3 days and they'll accept your account and you'll get an email when your account gets accepted. Now you can log in. So just go to the affiliate section again and hit log in. Then log in with your information. Perfect. Navigate to the dashboard. Alright, as you can see here, this page tracks your orders. So I've got 49 total orders, current commissions 186, unique visitors 1130, sales ratio 4.34. This is your standard linking code. People need to go through this link for you to get accounted for all your sales and get commission on your orders. Right here it just tells you when you'll be eligible for a payout. You need to have a minimum of $100 to cash out. So let's get right into the method. So the method I used is I went and found a Instagram influencer page that had a pretty decent amount of following and had real followers and that wasn't too expensive. So I found this page right here and I worked out a deal with them for $50 for a 12-hour shout out. Once I did work that deal out with them, I needed content to give them to post. So I just came here to marketing materials. I went to graphics and I saved this exact Instagram story template and I told them to repost it. Once I paid them and they reposted it, I started seeing a bunch of unique traffic coming in. I just saw a bunch of unique traffic coming in, and then sometime around afternoon, I just started seeing all these sales coming. And that's how I knew this was a really good product, because you usually don't see sales like this from a normal affiliate marketing campaign, or like if you put a drop shipping site up on Instagram, you won't see sales like this. And this is because this is a non-saturated product when it comes to things like this, when it comes to influencer marketing, just because it's a CBD brand. That's why I saw a lot of potential in it, so I decided to jump on it and it paid off. As you can see, I got all these people and they started purchasing it all throughout the day and it capped off at like 10:48 p.m. But overall, I made $186.20 with a $50 investment with this page. Now, whenever you want to cash out, you just put your PayPal email. It's automatically in there from when you registered. And I'm gonna go ahead and cash out. For sure, it says the commissions are pending. So it's late right now, so I'm gonna check back tomorrow. I'll record again and show you guys when I get paid. Have a good one. Hey YouTube, as you can see, they sent me the money. This is the next day. I just woke up in the morning. They processed my payment. It's a pretty fast process if you ask me. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on more money making methods. I'm going to probably be posting videos weekly. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to be entered for the 4 $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. And thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.